I want to show you how to make objects shine in Premiere Pro. I've already added a logo to my timeline that I want to add my animated shine effect to. Let's start by going to Effects and searching for Lighting Effects and adding it to our object. Under Effect Controls, change the ambient intensity to 100, and then click on the pen tool under Lighting Effects. Go over to your preview window and draw a narrow rectangle shape that's wider than the object you're adding the effect to. Back over to Effect Controls, click on the stopwatch icon next to Mask Path, and then click on the word Mask to show your mask again. Move your timeline slider ahead 2 seconds, and then click and drag your mask rectangle to the other side of your object. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.